Today we are going to discuss the important question of current affair. Hello friends, I am Vijay and you are watching Current Study. If this video is useful for you, please like, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well. Let's start today's first question. Which state marks the Khongjom Day on 23rd April? Assam, Manipur, Tripura, Gujarat. Correct option is option B, Manipur. It is observed to pay the respect of warriors of 1891 Anglo-Manipur War. Here we are talking about the important days, so we will revise the important days from last month to this month one by one. 1 March Zero Discrimination Day, 3 March 2 days are observed: World Build Life Day, World Hearing Day, 4 World Safety Day, 7 World Medicine Day, 8 International Women's Day, 14 Pi Day, 15 World Consumer Day, 18 Ayush Foundation Day, 22 days are observed: National Sparrow Day and Happiness Day, 21 International Forest Day, 23 International Water Day, 23 Sacrifice Day, 24 World Tuberculosis Day, 27 World Theatre Day, 30 Rajasthan Foundation Day, 31 World International Transgender Day of Visibility, 1 April. 3 days are observed: Fools Day, Odisha Foundation Day, RBI Day, 2 April. World Autism Awareness Day, 3 April. World Hindi Theatre Day, 4 International Day of Mind Awareness, 5 2 days are observed: World Maritime Day and International Day of Conscience, 6 April. 2 days are observed: World Athlete Day and Mahavir Jayanti Day, 10 April. World Homeopathy Day and Sibling Day and Good Friday, 3 days are observed. 12 April Motherhood Day, 13 April Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, 14 Bhimrao Ambedkar Remembrance Day, 15 Art Day, 16 Voice Day, 18 World Heritage Day, 19 World Labor Day and 21 World Creativity and Innovation Day, 22 World Earth Day, 23 World Book and Copyright Day and English Language Day, 2 days are observed. 24 नेशनल पंचायती राज दिवस और सचिन तेंदुलकर बर्थडे ऑब्जर्व. 25 वर्ल्ड मलेरिया डे एंड 26 वर्ल्ड इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी डे इज ऑब्जर्व. दीज आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट डेज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच मिनिस्ट्री हैज लॉन्च द माई बुक माई फ्रेंड कैंपेन? MHRD, Ministry of Information and Broadcast, Ministry of Science and Technology, Defense Ministry. Correct option is option A, MHRD. MHRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal has launched this campaign on the social media. So this is in the news. These are the important facts. And next question. Which state has launched टेलीमेडिसिन सर्विस? पंजाब, बिहार, उत्तर प्रदेश, गुजरात. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए, पंजाब. दिस इज लॉन्च फॉर हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस सेंटर्स टू प्रोवाइड कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव प्राइमरी हेल्थ सर्विस ऑन डोर स्टेप ऑफ पीपल इन रूरल एरिया. हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पंजाब. सो the Chief Minister of Punjab is Arvinder Singh and the state animal is black buck. State bird is northern goshawk and the important dams are Ranjit Sagar Dam which is built at Ravi River. Next question. Which bank has launched a social liquidity scheme for MSMEs? SBI, ICICI, SIDBI, HDFC. Correct option is option C, SIDBI. So here we are talking about the SIDBI bank. So the full form of SIDBI is S means small, I means industrial, D means development, B means bank, I means India means small industrial development bank of India is full form of SIDBI. And the important fact related with question is according to this scheme, loans will be provided to MSMEs with a tender of the days. Here we are talking about the SIDBI. So the foundation take place of SIDBI is in 2 April 1990 and the headquarter is in Lucknow. Next question. Vasant Dev has passed away in April 2020. He was related to which of the following field? Politics, sports, actors, swimming. Correct option is option A, politics. Former Rajya Sabha member from Odisha, Vasant Das passed away in April 2020. Das was the Rajya Sabha member from 1990 to 1960 as Janata Dal nominee. These are the important facts. And guys, next question. Before next question, I like to tell you the important fact related with Odisha. Odisha capital Bhubaneswar and Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik and Governor is Ganeshi Lal, and state animal Sambhar deer, state bird Indian roller, and the national park Bhitarkanika National Park, Simlipal National Park is important national park, and the important dams are Indravati Dam, which is built at Indravati River, and Hirakund Dam, which is built at Hirakund Mahanadi River. Next question. Which space organization has launched 60 internet beaming satellite into the space? NASA, ISRO, SpaceX, Blue Origin. Correct option is option C, SpaceX. SpaceX has launched batch of 60 internet broadcasting satellite in the space. I like to tell you the company has planned to put nearly 12,000 satellites into the space. Here we are talking about the organization SpaceX. So the foundation take place of SpaceX is in 2002 and the headquarter is in California, and the CEO of SpaceX is Elon Musk. These are the important facts. Next question. Which institute has developed the Prakriti dashboard to predict the spread of COVID-19? IIT Delhi, IISc, Bombay, Madras. Correct option is option A, IIT Delhi. It is mobile friendly and developed by the Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. It is developed for prediction and of coronavirus infection and assessment of corona in India. And guys, these are the important facts, and this was the last question. We will meet you next day with new question and answer that. Namaskar.